Hi, this is Arthur from Elven Tower. I am very happy to see you back. Let's continue creating this amazing Roll20 adventure. In our last video, we learned how to add a landing page to one of our projects. But now, it's time to add our maps. One of the most important things is the name, to identify it. So type the name into the pages you already created. Just like we did with the landing page, this small menu is going to allow us to change the dimensions of the canvas. And unlike the cover, I recommend that this time you set the canvas to be half the size of your map. Remember to turn these two buttons on if you're planning to use dynamic lighting and dynamic walls. I am going to leave them on because I am going to add dynamic walls later on. That will not be part of this video. We have another video dedicated to that. So let's continue adding our maps. Again, remember to have your files organized. Remember, the map is double the size of the canvas, so fit it to the page, not the other way around. Oh, and I almost forget, Roll20 has different layers. You have to place the maps here. This is to avoid problems with dynamic lighting, dynamic walls, and so the players see only what they should see. For example, most maps have labels that only the game master should see. These have to be PNG files, and you're gonna place them in the GM's layer. Okay, let's do the same for the second map of the adventure. Remember to set the canvas to be double the size of the map. This is to increase the visual quality of the illustration, but you might need to adjust the grid size. Please leave a comment if this is confusing to you or if I didn't explain it properly and I can make another video of this. Just remember to place your maps in the correct layer and you'll be okay. As you can see, this is the dungeon of the adventure. It is very fun to place dynamic walls and lighting to a dungeon like this. One more time, you visit your projects folder with all the organized files and you place it on top of the dungeon in the GM's layer. Et voila, we have a landing page and two maps for this adventure. Our next stop is dynamic lighting. I'll see you in the next one.